as it is said that travel gives you an opportunity to appreciate this beautiful creation of God. Here is a small glimpse of it. At the start of our tour, we met this beautiful innocent girl using all her strength to fulfill her basic needs. It was then we realized that life is not fair and everyone have to do their own slice of struggle in life. We offered her some chocolates and in return she gave us this beautiful smile which made our trip successful even before starting it. And we started our trek into the woods with trees ahead and bushes all around, struck by alternating feeling of lost and found. The trek seemed easy from the bottom, but as we advanced, it got difficult. So we decided to stop and capture some moments. Some breathtaking views came into picture even before reaching the top. And it was a time when we realized that our decision to stop connecting virtually and start real communication was worth it. The beauty and feeling after reaching the top can't be explained in words, it can just be experienced firsthand. As far as you can see, it was just forest all around. To show us how powerful the time can be, the ruins of Rani Ka Mahal were present at the center of this lake. Life here was more joyful and at peace as compared to city's busy life. With this, we started our descent journey and walked on some unknown paths to explore more. And finally, we reached here.
ओली
Kuwara Bhusen not only offers you the opportunity to explore the forest, do trekking, but it also gives you an opportunity to do boating around the ruins of Rani Ka Mahal. With the sun shining at the top and the water reflecting the rays, it made the scene mesmerizing. We were fortunate enough to land on this abandoned island and click some photos. It is said that if there is heaven somewhere on earth, it's Kashmir. But I personally feel a fraction of that beauty can be experienced here at Kuwara Bhusen, Maharashtra. As it is said that the beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. With this thought, we end our journey.